discount. To find the discount, we're going to change the percent to a decimal. We're going to multiply the decimal to the starting amount to find the discount. And then we're going to subtract the discount that we just found in step 2 from the starting amount. So let's go ahead and look at the first example. So a wholesaler offers a 30% discount on a $1,200 order. So what is the price of the order after the discount? Well, we have a 30% discount, and we have a $1,200 order. So let's go ahead and first convert this percentage to a decimal. So step 1, we're just going to go ahead and go 30 and then just divide it by 100 to get 0.3. So we're going to use this 0.3 in step 2 by multiplying 0.3 times 1,200. Right, and this will be the discount in dollars, right? So let's go ahead and get the calculator out. So we have 0.3 times 1,200, and we get 360. So step 3, we're just going to take the $1,200 and subtract 360, and we get the new price. So we get 840. So that would be the new price considering the discount that we got. Example 2. But before we do example 2, actually let's go over complement rate. So complement rate is just the rate after subtracting the discount rate. Now, this could be a little bit shorter way to get to our final answer. So example 2, a wholesaler offers 30% trade discount on a $1,200 order. So first we're going to find the complement rate, and then second we're going to find the final price after the discount rate using the complement rate. So you can see this is exactly like example 1, but I'm going to show you a different way to get there. So we have a 30% trade discount. Well, we need to find the complement rate. And we do this by going 100% minus this 30%. And what do we get? Well, we get 70%. So we take this percentage, right, and just like in the last one, but we're going to change that to a decimal, right? So we're going to change this part to a decimal, and this is what the actual amount that we're going to say is the final price after the discount. So this is, we got rid of, the discount rate, but we're just going to actually now multiply the $1,200 by what the final price will be. Right, it's only 70% of it. So let's go ahead and try that first. So we're going to go 70 divided by 100, so we get 0.7. Now we're going to go ahead and take this 0.7, and we're going to go ahead and multiply it by 1,200. So let's get the calculator. So we go 0.7 times the 1,200, and we get 840. So notice, we got to the same answer, but we didn't have to, subtract a discount price from the starting amount, right? We just did the subtraction by the percentage, at the very beginning. And you can see that, we got to the same answer. So you can go either route on this, but it's just another way to show you how we can get to the final answer. Now let's go ahead and look at the next example. So example 3, a cost of a service is $1,250. A 25% discount is given if paid in cash. So what is the new price with a discount if paid in cash? So let's go ahead and use the complement rate. So what I'm going to do is go 100%, right? Minus this 25%, and we get 75%, right? Which is the complement rate. Now what we're going to do is take the 75%, right? And we're going to go ahead and divide it by 100%. And then that will get rid of, right, the percentage, and we'll make it into a decimal. And then when we have the decimal, we can go ahead and multiply it by the starting amount, which is going to be, right, $1,250. So let's get our calculators out. And we get $937.50. And this would be our final answer, right? So that's what the price is with the discount. So let's go ahead and look at the last example. So example 4, the cost of an oil change was $74.50. A 10% discount was given for a promotion. So what's the new price for the oil change? Well, let's go ahead and do the first example way. So we're going to actually just go 10%. So step 1, we're just going to, right, this is from the first example. We're going to go 10%. We're going to go ahead and make it a decimal. So we get 0.1. Step 2, we're going to go ahead and find the discount price. So we're going to go 0.1 times the $74.50, right? And that will and we get $7.45. And then step 3, we're going to go ahead and take the $74.50 minus the $7.45. And we get $67.05. And this would be our final solution, right? So that would be the new price after the discount.